Hi, I'm Tom, and welcome to Alley Picked and my messy garage. By the way, if your shop is neat, clean, and extremely organized, you're probably just not busy enough. Anyway, for today's quick tip, I want to talk about the random orbital sander. This is my Craftsman sander. It's over 5 years old. I use this thing several times a week. It's a simple tool, on-off switch, variable speed, and then dust collection. I use and abuse this thing. It falls off my workbench, crashes on the floor, and it's still going. But eventually, like most tools, it's gonna break, and I'm gonna have to get a replacement. For a new one with a name brand, you can expect to pay between 60 and 100 bucks. But I've got one for you to consider today that you can get for under 50 bucks. It's called Jellas, Jellas. I never heard of this brand, but someone from the company sent me an email and asked if I could review it. They gave it to me for free. And since I'm Mr. Cheapskate Alley Picked, I love free.
What's in there?
Inside the box comes the sander, dust bag, instructions, and 18 Velcro 8-hole sanding discs ranging from coarse 60 grit to fine 320 grit. To flip out the front side handle, unlock the yellow clip, select the position you like, and lock it in. The dust collector bag clips on. The power cord comes with a nice 10-foot length. To compare the Jellas brand to the Craftsman, which I love, I put 150 grit paper on each and tested on a piece of pine. This is not going to be a comprehensive comparison or thorough test. I'm just giving it a basic functional test to get my initial impression after trying it for the first time. I'll put an Amazon link in the description for the sander, but check this out, $49.99, plus you can click on this 20% off coupon and get the thing for only 40 bucks. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Jellas brand, and I really love this handle on the front. I can't crack this thing open and check the quality of the inside, but on the outside, this thing is spot on. Hey Woodrow, what do you think? He gives it 0 thumbs up, but that's not such a big deal because